Hi everyone, I'm Irit, the designer on the latest renovation in Miami Beach. This apartment renovation next to the water includes a kitchen, 2 bathrooms, and new flooring throughout the space. From the moment you step into the space, the clients are greeted with a seamless blend of modern sophistication and coastal warmth. The design pays homage to the surrounding landscape with a palette dominated by soft sandy neutrals, accented by vibrant pops of turquoise and blues, reminiscent of the ocean hues. Clean lines and sleek surfaces evoke a sense of understated luxury. And lastly, rich textures such as natural wood, polished onyx effect porcelain, and 3-dimensional accents add depths and visual interest throughout the entire space, making it the perfect home for our clients. That was the end of our video. See you in the next one. Start a new chapter with us.